used to be somebody's friend or a girlfriend who's not wanting to kind of accept that he's dating me and stuff. I was zapped. So what was that? So I did not know that a few months back she was talking to a guy, and this guy, बाद में पता चला who the guy was. She was interested in someone, and he was like also in a confusing spot, obviously, because he was at that point of time in a not a very happy marriage and stuff, and he had not got his divorce and stuff. And she was like trying to be away from him, and she was like, I'm not going to be in a relationship with someone who's already married, and there's no future for this. So I said, go with it. Let's see what happens. So eventually, what happened is we got to figure out that the guy was not happy in his marriage, and he genuinely wanted to walk out and stuff. And she had an honest chat with her mom, and her mom was like, okay, let's see what happens. So the guy came into the family, had a chat with her mom. He turned out to be her friends, like circle, somebody we knew, like a common thing. And her family was very happy for her. And they were like, if the guy has the courage and the balls to walk into the house of this girl and talk to the parents, obviously he's serious. And the games she played, to get his attention and stuff. I mean, she would take me out to party with him just because she wanted him to be jealous and stuff and all. And I was like, what the hell? People have to play games and stuff and all that. So the counseling part really worked for her. So she thanked you for this. I said, you got to stay positive about it. Okay? You don't want to get married because by the time all of this happened, she was like in her late 40s, and now she's 53. So 3 4 days back, I saw a truck parked there, and I was like, "What's happening, girl?" And she's like, "Jas, I'm leaving." I said, "What?" She said, "Yeah, I'm leaving. I'm leaving, and I'm quitting, and I'm moving to a different city altogether with this guy." I said, "Why? Why? What happened to you?" And she said, "It's we have like 2 dogs, 3 dogs, managing 2 houses in this part of the world, and that part of the world is becoming difficult. I've got my business there now." And the pollution here is killing me and stuff. I can't manage my house here. Of course, her mother's also passed away few years back and stuff, and it was impractical. So a Delhi ki ladki who's lived all her life here, about 26 years, found love at the age of 45. She's moving in with this guy who's also from the Navy, and they've made it official. They've been dating each other, and he's in his 50s. She's also in her 50s, and they're moving in, and she's one of my closest friends and stuff. So, this is the message I have for the world that, sometimes you just don't go around chasing anything, and you're not looking for anything, and it just happens to you. Of course, I mean, she was so close to the idea, and I said, okay, keep looking. And in the interim, a lot of guys used to drop into her because of the background she has and stuff, and she's quite a smart lady and stuff, and a lot of men were hitting on her. They wanted someone single, so now she's packed up and she's moved, and she's taken her dog along. The family knows, the relatives know, the nephew nieces know, we know, the whole world knows. So a story that started on that note after almost 8 9 years has come to this level. So the point is that love can happen at any age, at any stage. They would move in. They moved in. They would go for holidays. They would go for the adventure trips, and they would do intercity travel and stuff and all. They would work together, and they've got each other's back. They are there. Of course, the guy is already gone is for his divorce and stuff. He's looking forward to it, so it's not that complicated anymore. The parents knew. The mother passed away a few years back, assured that her daughter is going to be looked after. The daughter is very bold, and is also, yesterday I found out, is trying to kind of support a family from Noida, taking in her servant and her daughter to Chandigarh to get them educated. Of course, her mother's going to work. The child is going to be, taken care of by this friend of mine, paying for her education and her transportation and living and everything. So this is the way the life has changed. So प्यार कभी भी हो सकता है. So it doesn't have to be the Devdas thingy. It doesn't have to be like a movie. It doesn't have to be about replacements. It doesn't have to be complicated. It doesn't have to be about pain. It doesn't have to be about hurt. It doesn't have to be about trauma. It doesn't have to be about separation. It doesn't have to be irresponsible love. It doesn't have to be complicated. It doesn't have to be stalking kind of a love. It doesn't have to be psychotic, psychologically sick love where you've left the guy after meeting many years, and women are still psychologically sick in the head to stalk the woman or vice versa and stuff, So it's nice that I shared this story because relationships can get converted. Also, I've seen this. I go far. I've seen it also. I won't want to say this. It's personal, but a very close, yeah, family member of mine also had a similar story. As long as he was looking for love, he couldn't find it. The day he stopped, a few months later, there the girl, the woman of his dreams was. He got married to her, happily married, with children at the age of 50, So प्यार कभी भी हो सकता है, लाइफ में कभी भी कुछ भी हो सकता है. It doesn't have to be negative. Life is uncertain, life is amazing. So if you want someone to write love stories to you, write the stories to yourself. If you want someone to play love songs for you, play all the love songs in the world. And if you want to give love to your, if you want someone to give love to you, find that love in yourself first. Okay, sorry if I sound like a gyani. Intellect is good, intelligence is good, but this is how it works. Respect yourself, love yourself genuinely, and listen to what your gut instinct is telling you. If you think something is off about a situation or about people, believe it and stay away from it. Live in your own zone, water your own grass, contribute to your own well-being, contribute to your own fitness, your own welfare. And even if you're single, anything and anything can happen at any stage. And maybe if you're not finding someone, God is kind of saving you. Maybe He knows what people are planning and plotting for you, or maybe this is not the right time. So just believe in it. He's saving you from a lot of shit and a lot of mess. Probably you've already seen it, probably you've already been in it, probably you're going to be in it. So believe in God, yeah. So that's it. So love and love, can take care and have fun, have a blast. Enjoy, and here we are with a nice cup of coffee. Yeah, I'm thinking of getting back to golf. I think I've forgotten even how to play golf. I feel so. Anyways, I'm going to get back to reading about it, and maybe I'll share something on the sport and stuff. So love and luck and take care. Have fun. Life is a mirror. It gives you back exactly what you are. So chase goals and make your life better than chasing any shitness around. Life is a lot better when you keep it simpler. Be I mean और क्या मतलब what else you want in your life. You want to be like hearing positivity. You want to be tuned into success stories and something which is giving you hope and stuff. So I hope I've shared something which is giving you hope. So मेरे जीवन साथी प्यार किए जा, जवानी दीवानी खूबसूरत जिद्दी पड़ोसन, सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम, सत्यम शिवम